Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Victor uniform number 3 Zulu Alpha Golf Suraj here. This is a short video on unboxing of ATU 100 tuner kit that I ordered from China. This is a semi-assembled PCB along with the components that I ordered from eBay. I have received these two consignments today. I have only ordered one piece, but I am really surprised to have these two packages and I'm really excited to open it. So let's quickly open the box. The box already seems to be opened by the customs for inspection as per the external appearance. So here we go. I have this paper which includes a BOM, and the back side we have the circuit diagram as well as the picture of the ATU tuner. This can be easily downloaded from the internet. So this is a PCB. It looks nice. Most of the SMD components are already soldered and assembled. It looks good. And also I can see the PIC microcontroller which is already pre-assembled there. I'm not sure whether it is programmed or I have to program it. We'll check that later. And this is the OLED display. It's provided inside this nice plastic case. So let's check out whether all the BOM components are there in this particular kit. I'm really concerned because the customs has already opened this box and I suspect some missing components. So let's check one by one. The first item is LED display that's already there, and we have these two RF connectors, two SMA connectors there. And we have this 15 pieces of relays, 12-volt relays. And then we have this PIC microcontroller that is already assembled, and also the 15 MOSFETs 2N7002 that is also assembled in the PCB. Then we have these RF diodes that is also assembled there. And we have this 3-terminal LDO for regulated power supply. And yes, the toroids are also provided. Total we have this 4 toroids. It looks like T68-2 and the color is also matching. Still I have to check whether it will support the required frequency or not. Also we have this enameled copper wire for making the inductors. And we have this capacitors. All these capacitors seems to be 47 microfarad 25 volt. So there are around 6 pieces there. These capacitors are already pre-assembled in the PCB, so nothing to worry about. Also these resistors, and rest of the all items are already pre-assembled in the PCB, so nothing to worry about that. So here we have this diode. It seems to be 194007. It's not there in BOM, still it's provided. Maybe it's for the power supply part of the circuit. Now let's open this second package that I have received. Not sure what's inside that. Okay, it seems to be some kind of craft item. I'm not sure what it is. Anyways, if anyone knows what this item is, please mention that in the comment box below. I'll be definitely trying to make another video on assembling this ATU 100 tuner. So stay tuned. So that's all from my end. Thanks for watching. 73 and bye bye.